Welcome back to our MATLAB machine learning tutorial series. In this video, we will discuss the concept of predicting website classification using a trained model. First, we take user input using the input function. The S at the end means we are expecting a string input, which will be the URL the user enters. Next, we call our feature extraction function URL feature extAI, passing the URL as a string. This function processes the URL and extracts important features that will help the trained model classify it as phishing or legitimate. We now use our trained model to make a prediction. The function trained model predict FCN features takes the extracted features and predicts the class in numeric form. Since the model outputs a numeric prediction, we need to map it back to a meaningful class name. We first extract all possible class labels from data train table.label and then use prediction numeric to index the correct class. Finally, we display the predicted class, showing whether the URL is phishing or legitimate. To handle unexpected errors, we use a try catch block. If anything goes wrong, such as missing input data, the catch block will display an error message instead of crashing the script. This part is very important. The model gives numeric predictions like 1 or 2, but we need readable class names. Categories, data train table.label retrieves all class names from our training data. Prediction class equals class names, prediction numeric takes the predicted number and maps it to the correct class. We entered a website name, and our trained model successfully classified it as phishing. The model analyzed the features of the URL and made an accurate prediction. In this video, we wrote a script that takes a URL, extracts its features, and classifies it using our trained model. We also handled errors properly and converted numeric predictions back to class names for better readability. In the next video, we will further test our model on a larger dataset and analyze its performance in detail.